The 2024 Wireless Carplay and Dashcam features a 9-inch touchscreen that offers an effortless viewing experience, making it a standout among car infotainment systems. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this device syncs seamlessly with your phone, enhancing your driving experience with voice-activated prompts. The built-in forward-facing dashcam records in 4K resolution, ensuring you capture every detail on the road, and the optional backup camera adds an extra layer of safety. The exclusive dual Bluetooth system allows you to connect your phone to your vehicle's Bluetooth for superior audio quality while maintaining a connection with the portable device. Effortless GPS navigation is displayed on the spacious touchscreen, integrating seamlessly with your native vehicle controls for a smooth driving experience. The quick detach system allows for easy removal and transfer of the device, providing both anti-theft security and versatility for use in multiple vehicles.